sound check.
Check. Okay, so
I don't know why. We start from
okay. So I don't know why. What did I say? I don't know why. What? Also don't remember. Never mind. I just say whatever lah. Today I'm going to unbox the vacuum that Jimmy sent over. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this vacuum for damn long. And I actually first saw it on Instagram, and then after that, Jamie kindly sponsored this. This vacuum I saw is like even better than Dyson's one because it has steam, so it can kill the bacteria. Today is, I think, the 6th week after I collected my keys. So I think there has been some slight delays with the renovation. So you can see Wallhub guys, they are, painting. I think it's called like sealing the wall, like applying a coat of sealant to the false ceiling first before they start applying the textured paint. So they actually came yesterday already to fix the bedroom's textured paint. Today they will just be working on this, and you can see the entire house is super damn dusty and like messy. I was sweating them a lot also. There are quite a few units doing renovation at the same time. So you can actually feel like it's super dusty the moment you step out of the lift. I don't know if it's a good decision to actually move in next week. Because actually I gave my ID like the timeline that I'm working with. Today is Friday. The ID will be handing over the unit to me next Saturday. At the current state, right, you look around the house, we only have 7 days to have everything done. So none of the carpentry is up yet. There was a delay with the partition works, which kind of snowballed to like, a lot of other things that comes after that, like in the schedule. The false ceiling were not up. None of the other vendors can actually start their work. That is the thing to look out for when you are planning your schedule with your ID. As you can see, the ceiling, there are some curved shapes. I was very clear to the ID that, everything in my house, right, I don't want to have any sharp edges. So even for TV console is rounded, like everything that I see is rounded. Because I want to avoid the, usual very boxy look when you are doing your renovation. Try to go down to, check instead of leaving everything to ID. This way you'll be able to spot any mistakes or touch-ups that they need to do before they proceed to the next step. So I think that's really important. So if you look at the ceiling now, I feel that it's not like very perfectly curved lah. So I told the ID to, get their guys to sand it down to make it more curved. I mean, these are the little things that will bother you, although it's not very obvious, but once you know, you cannot unsee it. So now we are in a bedroom. Okay, it's not like super big, but this is the only bedroom that I have. As you can see, the wall is actually already covered with the textured paint. I chose like a warm tone. It's a bit pink and warm. I don't know how to describe, like pink and orange. Actually, what color do you see? Orange, right? But I think it looks different, like depending on the lighting that, the day, and if you have lighting in your room. But this is something that I feel that will make your room feel a bit more cozy. Nice homes, they actually focus a lot on the wall finishings. So as long as you cover all the white walls with something, you are actually quite good to go. You will look like a hotel. So I didn't want to cover all my walls with wallpaper. So Wallhub actually had solutions where you can do like texture wall paint, you can do like fluted panels and all that. So I chose to do texture wall paint. I only have one wall that is wallpaper, which is the wall that my bed will be rested on. This color is consistent throughout the house, so it will feel kind of cozy, a bit like, Aesop vibes. That kind of feeling when you step in, you feel like, okay, it's a place where you can like relax and enjoy the soft lighting. Okay, not soft lighting, but the environment. And I didn't want to have a solid paint because I think you can see like the texture paint over here. It actually makes quite a lot of difference. If let's say we were just to paint the whole thing with like a single tone, there won't be, like the depth that you can see. Also, it looks a bit more treated lah. So I think this is a good choice if you want to have something that would probably last a bit longer. Because wallpaper, sometimes the thing is you might grow out of it. Your taste might change, and then after that you start to regret and all that. So I only have like one wall.
makeup look?
Yeah, Grace is going to teach me. I tried doing it in Paris at the time.
The smoky eye thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think today's event is not about smoky eye. Or maybe can also lah.
Dark,
Yeah,
mysterious.
it's smoky.
Yes.
Oh yes, I good coverage. And then you can build up from there.
Look at the
See,
distance
right?
between him and stands. Okay, so what's the vibe today?
Today it seems like I don't have like breakout kind, so you can put on a concealer first. But sometimes I use a mini brush. Oh, I know. I should use my phone.
Halloween is over, Halloween is over.
That's the film. Like usually I just fill in the ends.
Oh.
Make my brows look like it's longer. And then here I learned from makeup artists, it's like you do this to
Imitate the brow strokes.
yeah. But this one also important because we use this to fix it.
Oh. Is this the
It's like a mascara
brow
for
gel?
your eyebrow.
Yeah.
So I always use this. Yeah, I think this one is like more for like guys who want their brows to look like it's very bushy. Because bushier brows for guys is like nicer, but maybe not so for ladies.
Okay, show us your brows. Ooh. Nice.
There's a difference now, right? Mascara I don't dare to use, yeah. This one sometimes I use, sometimes I never use.
Is that the Tom Ford mascara?
Yes, looks like mascara. In like extreme mascara.
Oh, yeah, I've seen this in the office.
This is from the office. For contouring, like I learned from someone that last time before I learned from somebody, I just like put at the side and then I brush it off from there, but it doesn't look natural.
Okay.
So you must use your brush.
Oh wow. Okay, you look very you look very experienced right now for some reason.
Use your brush and then after you contour. So it will feel like softer, but it's very bad place to contour because you cannot see now. So I just get I come out from toilet looking like it's too much.
When do you start putting makeup?
Maybe 4 or 5 years back. I learned like my makeup by the videos we do for assembly plan agency client. Actually when I started freelance, I did a lot of makeup videos. As in I shoot for L'Oreal or that. Like we shoot a lot of tutorial videos. Back then I think tutorial videos were a trend. So every time I did a tutorial video, right, it's like you need to see the video for like more than 50 times. Then after that I just learned from there. She said to contour your nose.
Yeah, then you will see the line.
Oh, wow!
Like
Oh my god, this is amazing, yeah.
You're welcome.
But the other side is how like that. You know, left
Why?
like the grip is like different. Wow. Oh, actually this.
This is easier, right?
Yeah. Oh my god. Wow, this is like legit. And it's like at least now you know properly like where to contour. Because without this, right, sometimes it's like.
And like they always teach you how to contour your nose, but everyone's nose is different.
Yeah.
But this one will follow your nose.
Oh, for the eyeshadow part. Usually I just use this shape because it's like it's quite subtle. And just be at the end. So I just use the highlighter to highlight my nose. I just use the eyeshadow now. The first time I did it, right, wow, I got a shock because it was like so pigmented. It's good. After what I do is like I brush it on my hand first. Okay, so we're kind of done. My last step would be, okay, not last, but I like to put my blusher. And I learned the hack is that you don't put it straight like that. Bring it up. So your face will look snatched. I like to put over my nose also.
Same.
The sun kiss look right. If I want the, you know, the Korean glossy skin, then I won't powder my face. But if like I have shoots, right, I will definitely powder because when you have like light on your face, right, I have oily skin, so you look like really oily. So if you have shoot, or if you're taking selfies with your friend,
Mattify the face.
final touch. Spray it.
The moment of truth is when you step into the natural light.
Oh my god.
I can see the smokiness.
Is it too much?
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I can definitely see the smokiness. I'll show you the clip. Alright. This is the makeup.
Please like and subscribe to get more beauty content advised by Grace.
Yeah.